What can simulating molecular structures reveal about enzymatic reactions? Imagine being able to see inside an enzyme at the atomic level to understand how it speeds up chemical reactions. That's what simulating molecular structures can do. It's like having a superpowered microscope that lets scientists watch reactions unfold in real time. Using advanced computational methods, researchers can model how molecules behave and interact within enzymes. These simulations help us understand the exact steps enzymes take to catalyze reactions, which is tough to see in a lab. Simulating molecular structures often involves combining quantum mechanics and molecular mechanics. Quantum mechanics looks at the electrons and how they move, which is key to understanding how bonds break and form. Molecular mechanics, on the other hand, considers the larger protein environment around the active site. This hybrid approach makes it possible to study big enzyme systems without needing excessive computing power. One of the main things these simulations reveal is the pathway of the reaction itself. They show how molecules change shape and how bonds are broken or created during the process. They also identify the transition states, those fleeting, high-energy configurations that determine how fast a reaction happens. Seeing these states helps scientists understand what makes enzymes so efficient. Quantum simulations can also show effects like proton tunneling, where particles pass through energy barriers instead of going over them. This phenomenon can speed up reactions and influence how enzymes work. It's a detail that classical models often miss. By capturing these quantum effects, simulations give a clearer picture of enzymatic efficiency. Another important insight is how the enzyme's environment influences the reaction. The surrounding amino acids and cofactors can stabilize certain structures or help transfer electrons. Simulations measure these interactions, revealing how enzymes achieve such high specificity and speed. They also allow scientists to compare different enzymes or test how mutations might change how reactions occur. Emerging quantum technologies, like quantum computers, are starting to play a role here. They can potentially model these complex systems more accurately and faster than traditional computers. This could lead to designing new enzymes or drugs more efficiently. For example, predicting how a mutation affects enzyme activity or creating artificial enzymes tailored for specific tasks. In practical terms, simulating molecular structures helps scientists predict how changes in an enzyme's structure impact its function. It guides the development of enzyme inhibitors or new catalysts. It also deepens our understanding of fundamental biochemical processes at the quantum level. All in all, simulating molecular structures is a powerful tool that bridges the worlds of quantum physics and biology. It opens doors to new discoveries in medicine, chemistry, and quantum technology, helping us understand how life's tiny machines work at the most detailed level.